In this video we will practice a docstring. Okay, so I will write only very simple function. It's called add. There are two parameters, a and b, and it just return a plus b. Okay, nothing special here. So if I print the result of a at 5 and 10, for example, so you will see there is 15. Okay, so again we need to print it here because at just return the result, so it means it return the 15. It will goes like this. Okay, so that's the result. It will return. We can print it, store it in variable, and do whatever we need. So, but here we would like to write a docstring. So I put here some quotes. It has to go like this. And now we in general write what the functions does. So returns the sum of two numbers, for example. So it means if I go here and hover on it, it will show me returns the sum of two numbers. Okay. Now we take care about parameters. We have two parameters. So a is int, or it can be float as well. So first number, and b it's the same, int integer, it means the whole number, or float, and it's the second number. There is no special meaning like weight, height, or something like that. There are only numbers. And here we just write returns. Okay, and it will return integer or float the sum of a and b. So it means these parameters. Okay, and that's it. So our docstring is ready. So you can see that if you read this, it's absolutely clear what the function does. Okay.